Using YouTube TV with a mobile hotspot is a great option when you don't have Wi-Fi. It works perfectly for travel, hotel stays, RV living, or any temporary setup. Here's how to get everything running smoothly. Step 1. Turn on your mobile hotspot. For iPhone, open Settings, go to Personal Hotspot, and turn it on. For Android, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, find Hotspot, and turn it on. Set a strong password. If your phone gives you the option, you can choose 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. 5 GHz is faster, but 2.4 GHz is more stable for older devices. Step 2. Connect your TV or streaming device. On your smart TV or device such as Roku, Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Apple TV. Open Settings. Go to the Network or Wi-Fi section, select your hotspot name, and enter the password. After connecting, open YouTube TV. It will run normally as long as your hotspot speed is good. YouTube TV recommends these speeds: 7 to 13 megabits per second for HD, 25 megabits per second for 4K. If loading feels slow, lower the video quality by going to Settings and choosing 480p. Step 3. Understand the home area rule. A hotspot counts as a travel network, not your home area. To keep your local channels active, make sure you connect to your home area network at least once every 90 days. Step 4. Watch your data usage. Hotspot streaming uses a lot of data. Here's the average per hour. 1.5 gigabytes at 480. 3 gigabytes in HD, 7 gigabytes or more in 4K. If you have limited data, keep this in mind. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.